In class 10, last day we have done about maps. Topographical map, I have told you what is topographical map. It gives us graphics of our surroundings. Okay, what is the difference between topographical map and satellite map? There are many differences. For instance, topographical maps, it gives a detail of a small area, whereas satellite gives a pictorial details. Topographical is drawn according to the predetermined scale. Like I told, the kilometer, 1 meter, kilometer is done in centimeter, like that. While as satellite pictures, it is imaginary, but it is true only at principal point, and other way, and distortions occur in other way from this point. Now, topographical map is not accurate, whereas satellites are accurate measurement, direction, distance not possible due to camera, whereas topographical, it is proper distance and the horizontal distance is proportionate to the scale. Relative relief is readily found and relative relief is not found in satellite. Areas is inaccessible to surveyors without a map. Satellite imaginary is inaccessible areas can be readily obtained. There are many differences, so you do read these differences because it is quite important for the exam. Satellite imaginaries are difficult to read in poor light and poor condition, but topographical can be read. Topographical do not show update, whereas satellites gives us update information. Satellite imaginaries do not show name and their are not labeled, whereas topographical maps contain map names and are tilled and labeled. Each maps are conventional signs and symbols to depict that and describe features that is shown, whereas in satellite imaginaries do not have any sign or description that represent the symbols. Satellite imaginary is prepared in a short time and frequent interval, whereas topographical takes a long time and it is archived. Areas inaccessible for surveyors cannot be mapped, whereas satellites can go to areas where it is inaccessible. Next is different types of scale of topographical maps. There are different map scales. Map distance between 2 points is map's distance in the 2 points and divided by the ground distance between the same 2 points is being showed in a map in certain points of difference are there. For example, for this they use statement scale and representative scale. Statement scales, that in a statement scale on a map is equal to what distance of the ground, like 2 centimeter equals to 1 meter. What happened? The distance which is 1 kilometer, it is shown in small centimeters. It is usually not printed on the map, topographical maps, whereas representative fractions like 1 is to 50,000, fractional scale do not have units. This scale has ratios in the map distance of the equivalent distance to the ground. Of the same, using the same unit for both, there is also a flexibility to choose this. For instance, if I write 1 centimeter on a map, that will be 50,000 centimeter on the ground. If I write 1 meter on the map, that will be 50,000 meter. That means centimeter and meter that will be not there, but 1 will represent to 5,000 because it is the ratio. Okay, this much I am giving for today. You read and understand this first. Thank you.